sees a crack in the armor I wear. One little tremor and I'm not there. Anxiety creeps in slow like a thief, then everything fractures underneath. Heartbeat racing, but I'm fading out. Voices echo, but I can't hear a sound. Lights go dim and the world goes thin, like I'm watching my life from somewhere within. And I feel the pull, like gravity turned against me. Feet off the ground, and my mind ain't mine to keep. Black out, falling through the floor again. Straps on, my ankles dragging me in. Straight jacket, silence, can't even scream. Locked in the void, I'm trapped in between. Dissociation rain pouring down my skin. Well, the vessel moves, but I'm not in it. Hoping I'm safe, hoping I'm whole, while I'm stuck in the dark with no control. Time don't exist where they throw me away. Just shadows dancing where my thoughts decay. Mild torture whispers bending what's real. Hallucinations dressed in what I feel.